Okay, hey YouTube. Okay, hey YouTube. I'm about to fix this slime because it's not that stretchy or nothing. So you guys see this? It breaks. Even if I go slow with it, it still breaks. So I have to hold on.
Cheaters.
Okay, I have to turn down the TV. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting some lotion on it because it's very dry. And I use this lotion because it smells really good and it makes it like you don't have to use that many pumps to make it sticky or like more, better and stuff. Let's see, it got better. First, it was all hard and stuff. Sorry about that, you guys. My dad is something. He's just mad about football. But yeah. You hear that? Shh. Sorry. And sorry if you guys see the like light and change. Sorry, it's my TV commercial. See. Yes, I don't have no tripod, so yeah. And sorry if I'm quiet. I just don't like talking and play with slime. Well, you guys probably don't know, but like I don't like talking and play with slime. But there's really nothing to talk about, and I should be focused on my slime, so then you guys can hear the crackles whenever I crack it. Y'all see it got way more better. And I'll use like either 5 to 10 pumps of lotion. And it got this much better. It's kind of even sticky. See? Y'all see my slime skills? Hold up. Boom, bam. Hold up. Boom, bam. Hold up. Boom, bam. Boom, 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 bam. Let's try this again. Boom, bam. Boom, bam. Boom, bam. And it broke. Y'all, look at this. If y'all didn't notice my little puff off ears. Well, y'all probably did, but I didn't say nothing about it. And it's kind of not the color that I showing on camera. It's like the color it shows up. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's not the color. And yeah. Hold up. Y'all see our Christmas tree? It's plain now. Focus. Y'all see it changes colors because it's either the lighting or like, I don't know. It's either the lighting or it's my camera, but I think it's the lighting because it never want to focus. Focus. I have to tap it to make it focus. Like, I shouldn't have to. Oh my god, sorry y'all. I shouldn't have to make it. FRDT, FRDT, FRDT. I want FRDT, period. FRDT, FRDT. I'm about to be adding some of this nail polish. Yes, I got it on my nails and it's on my case. In the case I'm wearing on my phone right now. And guess what kind of phone I got in the comments down below. But you can't look at my Musical.lys, that'll tell you. Because if you're the first one to guess it right, give me your musical hit or your like Instagram or your social media, and I will shout you out on there. So yeah. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. This slime used to be good and stuff. Now it's like the color y'all see right now used to be the color before I put the nail polish in. She's the shield version. That's it. I'm running out because I used this whole entire thing on my cake. And sometimes my phone focuses by itself. So yeah. And if I have one hand out, that means I'm focusing it. But if I do that, it's gonna focus by itself. See, y'all can see me in a little bottle. See? Look in the bottle, y'all. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all, I'm not gonna get in trouble for dancing. I just ran because I wanted to. And nobody even came. Oh, y'all. Y'all see this? It was just in my slide. I didn't show y'all this.
Stop. You don't even know it.
Yeah, I do.
That was the whole wrong part.
No, it wasn't. I finished before you, so I was like, anyways, back to what I was saying. Y'all, this came out my slime and I didn't even put it in there. I never remember putting that in there. Oh, crap. Oh, y'all. Oh, yeah, I think I know where this came from. Oh, crap. I think I know where this came from. Oh, my God. This came from the nail polish. Every time I add nail polish with slime, a little bead is in there. And it's always a color. Y'all see it was in the nail polish. Cause I never put that in my slime. There ain't nothing else in my slime. Why would I put that little thing in my slime? That would just be stupid. Putting one little thing in your slime. That's stupid. But it came from the nail polish. Ah. Too much money. Everybody mad. Everybody mad. Everybody mad. Yeah. You've been getting too much money. I did not know I was recording for 16 minutes. Like, what? Wait. Yeah, 16 minutes. I'm sorry, y'all, but my camera just acting real stupid. Like, it never wants to focus. Next video, I'm going to be doing ASMR. So, yeah. It'll focus. Hold up. Okay, y'all see it's not focused, right? Hold up. Y'all see it's not focused, right? It's not focused. Watch. Look, my hand's right here. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, y'all see it's not focused, right? Y'all see it's not focused, right? Look. Hold up. Look, my hand's right here. Y'all look in the pop bottle. My hand's right here. It just focuses out of nowhere. Look, my hand's right there. Well, after I add this lotion, I gotta go. So. Well, that's it. Hold on. $21. Okay. So, that's it. That's it for this video. I am going to be doing a majorette video. Well, next I'm going to be doing a majorette video. Make sure you guys go watch it. Well, not right after this video because it's not going to be posted unless, like, you watch this late. It will be posted then. By the way, this is not glow in the dark slime. But yes, y'all, that's it for this video. But I'm about to.
There she is, honey. Yeah. She put on so much lotion, it don't make no sense.
No,
Calling her the lotion lady.
no, I didn't.
How many times a day do you put on lotion? Tell the truth.
Probably
Tell the truth now.
3 times.
Okay, that's it.
Huh?